What's up guys, I'm Chigs and today I've got my hands on the LG Tone Free True Wireless Stereo Earbuds, model number HBS-FL7. Now these are premium true wireless stereo earbuds. They are actually made in collaboration with Meridian Audio to bring you high quality premium sound for both music and phone calls. So very excited to try these out, and you've got some brand new technology called UVnano. But first of all, inside the box you will find your user manual and paperwork. Over here we have some spare ear tips, so you've got large and medium. You also get a USB Type-C charger, and last but certainly not least, the earbuds themselves. So here they are. You can see it says Tone on top and it says with Meridian at the bottom. Now if you've not heard of them, Meridian Audio is actually a British audiophile company, and they make some amazing technology speakers. They're actually pioneers in music and technology, and they specialize in DSP HD decoding. So I'm already expecting the sound quality to be amazing. Now the charging case is made from plastic. You've got this rubberized texture to it. Tone and Meridian logos at the top. On the front we've got an LED indicator. On the side you've got a button. When you press it, the LED indicator will light up. And on the back we have a USB Type-C port. Now the charging case will give you a whopping 17-hour battery life. It also supports fast charging. And you have a new technology called UVnano Charging. So when you drop your earbuds in and you close the lid, an ultraviolet light turns on to reduce bacteria on the earbuds whilst they are charging. So not only are your earbuds charging, they are also getting refreshed. Now if we open up the box, here are the earbuds themselves. They are made from plastic, they're very light. You've got this black glossy finish and look quite nice as well. Now you do have a semi-open design, and you've got extra gel tips of different sizes to suit, and it is quite comfortable in the ear, and it gives you a degree of noise isolation, but of course there is no active noise cancellation. Now these earbuds do support Bluetooth version 5, they support touch controls, and they consist of multi-layer metal drivers for superior sound quality. Now you do have a built-in equalizer, so you can simply triple tap to change between flat mode, treble boost, normal and bass boost. And I really do like this feature as it gives you control to listen to the music the way you like it.
Bass boost.
Now there is a smartphone app called the LG Tone and Talk app. However, this app is only compatible with Android smartphones, and it basically allows you to play around with some settings. For example, you can change the equalizer directly from your smartphone, and you can even locate a lost earbud directly from the smartphone app, which I thought was quite cool. So if you've lost one of the earbuds or both of them, you click start and the earbuds will start making noise. And another cool and pretty advanced feature for Android only is your voice notifications. So it would basically read out your notifications as you receive them. So if someone sends you an email or a text message or even a WhatsApp message, your earbud will read it out for you. Now battery life is pretty good. You've got 6 hours of non-stop music on a single charge, and they do support fast charging, so 5-minute charge will give you a 1-hour battery life. Now these are also IPX4 splash proof, so rain and sweat will do them no harm, but just don't go swimming with them. Now you also have in-ear detection, so music automatically pauses if you remove the earbud from your ear, and it continues playing music if you put it back in. So there you have it guys, the brand new true wireless stereo earbuds by LG, the Tone Free. Now let's get straight to the ranking. So here is my best true wireless stereo earbud chart of 2020, showing you the most popular earbuds and seeing how they compare with each other. And as you can see, these new LG earbuds have achieved position 7 on this chart. Now I've actually rated them 5 out of 5 for overall sound quality, and I've rated the bass level 4 out of 5. Now Meridian Audio have done an incredible job on these little monsters. Sound quality is loud and crystal clear with no distortion at all. Bass levels are actually very good in bass boost mode. Now you also have the option to tweak the sound to suit your taste using the built-in EQ. So if you don't like bass, you can easily switch it down. Overall sound quality that they produce is exceptionally mind-blowing. Now if my chart was ranked just based on sound quality, then these earbuds would be in the top 3. But of course, I have to consider the whole picture. So sound quality along with the features and comfort levels play an important role on the overall rank of each earbud on this chart. So bottom line, LG have created an outstanding pair of earbuds. There is no real noise isolation as they are semi-open earbuds. It's probably one of the best in its class when it comes to sound quality, and it definitely deserves its merit. You have plenty of features to go with it, including fast charging, decent battery life, IPX4 water resistance, UVnano Charging Case, touch controls, and the list goes on. The only thing missing is lack of wireless charging, so you can't place this on top of a wireless charger. It's not supported. Now nevertheless, the earbuds are quite comfortable in the ear once you select the correct sized gel cover. Now these are overall an excellent pair of earbuds, and what could make them even better is if they included a noise cancelling earbud in the box. That would give you a more tighter fit and provide you with more noise isolation. Now these are not cheap, the price is quite high, but as they say, you certainly get what you pay for. Now I've actually not heard sound quality like this before in a pair of true wireless stereo earbuds. Now let me know what you guys think. Meanwhile, links will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. I'll see you guys in the next one.